I told you last week that we were going to do a two-part series on the value journey. Well, surprise, I'm going to add one more onto it because I just wanted to share a little bit more about it. It's the idea that, again, there's stages of a relationship, and as a business, you should nurture relationships. And so my encouragement to you as a business owner is to start small and earn trust. The deeper the connection, the longer they know you, the more they feel connected to your brand and know who you are and know your values and know how your product will make your life better. That's setting you up to have a fan for life or a customer for life or someone who's going to buy that much bigger commitment. So if you do not have small offerings on your website or in your store or in your service offerings for people to onboard and get to know you so you can nurture the relationships, you need to do that. I would encourage you on your website, give something of value, whether that's a PDF, here's a little bit of information that will help you, or whether it's a coupon, here's something to save you money. In exchange, you need those things in exchange for their email address so that you can start communicating. The reason you want to communicate with them, the reason you want to send emails, the reason you want their email address, or the reason you want them to follow you on social media is so that you can build a relationship. The more you inform them, the longer you inform them, the deeper you inform them, the more likely they're going to engage and commit. So make sure you have some small, free, if not low cost, or great little incentives like a coupon on your website, in your store, so you can capture those people who might be apprehensive and not yet ready to buy your biggest thing and make that big commitment.